So you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's hard to get the camera to focus, but the boot broke off inside the hole. And the guy says to take a little 1/4 inch or whatever and with a drill and drill it out. But of course it had to break off for the back. At least not the plug, but I got them all in okay, except a few of them here having issues. And I like how engineers, not just Ford and Chevy, but they make it so shitty that them plastic clips break. I'm just gonna redneck it, zip tie it. That's permanent, or that's temporary for now. Got them other ones okay. They're hard to get snapped into place. I don't think I'm gonna do the left side for now. But them plugs were horrible. Let me go get them. As you can see, these coils are, I don't know, they look original, but these are new ones here. This is an old one. Katie came and helped me a little bit. She's out camping. It's too hot for me to go out camping. I had a heat stroke, so it sucks. But anyway, you can see there's nothing left of them plugs. I already started it up with them 3 new coil packs before I swapped that back one out before it broke, and it ran perfect. It ran better than it used to run. But you can tell that them plugs are, if I can focus, there's nothing left of them. You can clearly see that they've done the life of their expectancy. That one isn't too bad. Well, that one is kinda... So let's compare this worst... Let's see, which one's the worst one? I think it was this one. That one compared to a new one. So, here's a new one versus the old one. See how much... Oh, see how much wear? I don't know how it even run. It's the old one's gapped at 80. And they're supposed to be around 47 to 50, whatever Motorcraft already has a gap, but I checked the gap anyway. But that's bad. That's why it's probably lost power sometimes and been acting weird for the last couple months. And I kind of figure it was plugs. I thought, well, might as well get some new coil packs where I at it, because you change the plugs, the coil packs may be weak and not able to work. So yeah, well, it has to be done sometime, I guess. Okay, I finally got her out of there. I didn't have a saw or round thing, a 1/4 inch to get in there, so I just used a lag bolt and screwed it in there by hand and kind of got it to a kitty corner, and now I gotta blow it out of there before I open the spark plug. Hopefully the spark plug don't break off. And it looks like it's original plug because it's blue. I'm just gonna do this side for now, and then since I can't get over there to that side, I'll have to have it backed in and facing towards the front in order to do it. And I don't have to do them all at once today, but they should be all done at once. But if I can get that plug out and get that coil pack in there, I'll be happy. And we'll see how it runs. Probably run like shit. Well, I'm taking a little break here, and it's 103 right now outside. My avalanche is out there. I'm working on the vehicle here. I got the 4 coil packs in on the right bank there. Them electrical things are a pain in the butt. And that boot that got stuck in here, that was no fun. I don't know what they did with it, but here it is right here. This thing broke off of the coil pack inside the cylinder with the spring. So, anyway, we'll show you. Oop, I took it off. Didn't mean to do that. This one here I broke from before because I didn't read the video to know how to do it. So I didn't break all these 3, but this last one here, I'm trying to get that thing to click so I can lock it into place, and it is a pain in the butt. So the 4 cylinders on the other side, I'm going to hold off on that because my finger really hurts there, as you can see. And I'm shaking because I am sick of looking at this truck, so I just want to get them on there and snap it on, take it for a ride, and see how much of... It's probably not going to be any better, but probably not. But these plugs, I don't know if you can see here. They're horrible. I don't know how it even ran. Looks like oil on that one there, see? Maybe burn a little bit, you know, it's at like almost 200,000 miles. My Avalanche burns oil too, but that wasn't too bad. This one here looks a little black. It's hard to tell. I guess it's not bad. I've seen worse, so I'm not gonna complain about it. But anyway, I suppose I better get back at it here so I can take it for a test drive and see what else blows up on here. Okay, first startup. Let's see how good I did. I don't think Ford's built that tough. Still got a little mist to it. It needs 4 new plugs on the other side, but oh, nice brakes. Hate these brakes. Getting out of here is gonna be tough. I gotta watch my Avalanche because I got that out too. Kinda seems like it's running normal. Maybe a little mist to it, yeah. We'll get the other 4 put in and it'll be good. I got any parts laying around there? I wouldn't doubt it. Well, I literally got my pickup backed in there. It was really tough, but I got it. I didn't have to fold the mirrors, but just backed her up in there, and now I can just drive right out in the morning and go. But what I want to do is, this way I can get to the cylinders on this side. I'm going to have to pop the hood. I don't know if it's going to hit up there. I don't know. Like I said, this is new to me here. Everybody says, oh, it's probably easier to back it in than, you know, slide out there. Well, these help a lot. And having this seat down, oh, my camera's turning. Having that seat down helps a lot, so I can actually see the backup. And it's 100 degrees outside. It is hot. And I took it down the road and it runs great. It still has a little shake to it. I still think it's the other plugs, but if it isn't, I have an idea what it is. Oh, look at that, just clears. Let's see if I can turn my light on here. There we go. And this thing's going to be an issue here. I think that's going to come off and cause it to misfire. I'm going to have to fix that right. Other than that, with them new plugs in there, it made a difference. I tell you, that thing has power now. Before it was just kind of bogged down and doggy. So, and it's going to take a decade to cool off. So, I'm not going to do it tonight. And there's that buzzing noise again on that transmission. I don't know why it does that. It'll do that and then it'll stop. So, I don't know. It's probably something to catch on fire. Probably. But anyway. So, anyway. We got this all done now. And thanks for watching. I'll do videos later on this. But at least now you know the struggle I went through. The cuss words I went through. The stuff I went flying. Actually, no. I decided not to throw stuff and get angry this time. I decided just to relax and come back and work on it the next day. I had the Avalanche. Not the end of the world.